We're going to do a quick review over the Ryobi high pressure inflator, just to show you how to use it and show you what it comes with. Let's do this. Alright, it's a very simple tool. You have your main trigger here to inflate everything, and on the back it comes with a nice pressure gauge that's real easy to read. This tool in particular did not come with a battery, so I'm going to be using one of my other batteries to make this work. Plugs right in and real simple. This comes with simple adapters. If you're doing just your tires, you can plug it straight on. If you're doing a ball, it has a nice inflator for that. Or if you're doing maybe a blow up air mattress or a blow up ball, real simple adapter for that, and a few other accessories. These accessories are real easy to store. They pop right in place right here in the base. Now when you're using this, it's going to make some noise because there is a mini compressor inside. But fortunately it's not overly obnoxious, so you can use this in most places. Now whenever you're attaching it to your accessories or even your tires, you need to make sure when you slide this on that you completely get it seated and then pull this down like this. And that'll prevent any air from leaking. And when you first hook it up to your tire, it's not going to show anything until you hit the trigger. Give it a second and it'll tell you the PSI in there. Wow, this tire is obviously low, so we're going to start pumping it up. And if you notice, it jumped up to 27 and then back down to 25. That's because there's creating a little bit more pressure in here in the sensor. And so sometimes you're going to have to get a little bit higher on this gauge and then stop and see what it actually drops to. Now this tool might take a little bit of time, especially when you're inflating your large tires, but overall this is a great tool to have, especially if you just want something small to keep around just in case your tire pressure needs to be inflated.